Hello. Um, I thought I'd do a review about my plans for new things to do on my channel because at the moment it's 3 years, or in fact 37 months, since I relaunched my channel in that I started making film reviews as that was my main focus, and that's what I plan to continue doing. I plan to do as many as I can using this live streaming format, first of all, but also I was thinking I might reintroduce editing techniques, practice maybe some sort of online editing so that I can start off, well, check how many people are interested in a particular video and then decide if it's um, something where it would be really worthwhile editing, adding um, different backgrounds, things like that. Now, I feel that right now is a time for renewal. I feel like it's a time for change right now, simply because I think it's my rebirthday and my chronological birthday. So, good time to think about what to do with this channel. And I, what I would like to do is more walking videos like I used to do, the sort of time lapse, maybe real time videos of, guides of places and historical and geographical information about particular places. Considering recently I've been doing the LGBTQIA plus guide for Islington, and I'm planning to carry that on as well. Um, but maybe, I mean, I think the next few will probably be in the similar style to what I was doing. But once I can find new information, extra information on LGBTQIA plus history in Islington, and maybe further afield as well, but I'm going to focus on Islington. Um, then I will be, I'll work on the new channel I created last month that I haven't yet populated as such. So I will continue with my film reviews because that's something I really enjoy. I love seeing films. I tend to see at least 10 to 15 new films every year. Every year, 10 to 15 films every month. New films. I see some old films again, and then I'll review those as well. But I thought I'd also review things like music and, provide reactions without actually doing it the way most people do reaction videos, where they have that song playing in a box in the corner. Because I'm not sure about the copyright for that. So I thought, well, I'll put a link so you can watch it if you want, but I'll just do it with my thoughts and information about the particular song. I know I think about other things to review as well, like a few items I get. I don't tend to buy much, but when I do, things like my Siri toothbrush, which I've had a couple of years, I think it's been useful, so I think I might review that. Um, so anyway, that's my current thoughts. I'll keep this very short, but thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.